Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bete, kindly do not join before 9:35 because I'm conducting year 6 class. I request all the students to join me at 9:35. Don't join me before that. Adyan, you joined earlier today. Are you all ready for the test? Thumbs up, please. Okay, girls, cover the hat. Aisha, bete, do recitation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم.
Okay, Subhanallah, Sadaqallahu Azim. Kindly take out the literature copy and all of you start the test. Do test at the back of your literature copy. I am conducting the test. All of you, please do the test at the back of your literature copy. I hope you all understood.
भाई मेरे कान साफ हो
Kindly do the test at the back of your literature copy. But please join the class on time. I'm giving a choice to at least 3 reference to contest. Did you all understand what to do? Did you all understand? Thumbs up, please. Do the test at the back of your literature copy. Any 3 line you will be doing. The process I taught you how to do. Alishma, unmute you. Please unmute.
टीचर मुझे समझ आ गया.
Huzaifa, Rayan, did you understand? Huzaifa, did you understand? Mohtashim Bete, did you understand? Thumbs up, please. Okay, Huzaifa, very good. Mohtashim Bete, please thumbs up. Did you understand? I'm conducting a test. You have to write refer to contest of any 3 lines. Bete, this test you have to submit in block. Have you all read it? Okay, one by one, I'm taking answer from all of you. Just let me know. You have to write at the back of your literature copy verbally. I'm asking the answer to all of you. You can send me in chat. Send the answer in chat. Ji Zainab, send me in chat. What is the answer of all 3 lines what you have done? Send me in chat personally. Privately message me. The line which you which you have completed, send me through chat, through Zoom chat. All the student, please, you can attempt this test during the block time. So you have 15 minutes more with you. Send me answer through chat, Zoom chat, right now. Through Zoom chat, send me the answers of all 3 lines what you are doing. जी Samir.
टीचर आप एक बार दिखा दें लाइन.
Okay, I'm showing it to you, bete. Kindly send me the answer through Zoom chat option, please. During the block time, you can send only during the block time. Who are present today, they are giving this test. Who are absent, I have marked absent, I marked the 0 marks. Send me answer through chat, bete. All of you chat ke through answer me. जी मोहतशिम बेटे.
मिस मैं कह रहा हूँ मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि क्या करना है इसमें.
Bete, you have to write reference and then explanation. As I taught you know how to do the reference to contest. In the paper, I'll be giving line to you. You have to write reference, then explanation from where the line has been taken. We have done now in the literature copy as well. How to do. Remember, Mohtashim? Kindly recall the memory. Fahad, send me answer. Not line 1, line 2, please. Send me answer. What did you write? Reference and then explanation. This garden belongs to me, told by whom, and from which story this line has been taken. What you will tell it to me? In the reference, you will be telling who wrote this story and from where this line has been taken, from which story this line has been taken. Then in explanation, you will be telling who said to whom and why. Did you understand? In reference, you will be telling this story. This is the story name. This line has been taken from this story. And in explanation, you will be telling who said to whom and why. जी आयशा बेटे.
टीचर चैट पे लिखने में बहुत देर हो जाएगी. अभी मैं अभी लिख रही हूँ अपना.
Yes, you can write and send me picture because I'll be accepting till the block time.
Okay.
So quickly send me picture. of the test, or send me answer quickly in chat. Who are unable to send the picture to me, they can send through chat, Zoom chat. Right now, send it to me. Aman, Wafa, everyone, the video is closed. I won't be giving marks to you. Rayan, Adyan, Huzaifa, Fahad, during online test, the video is closed. Alishba, Rayan, Fatma Mateen, Shahzeb, Ahmed Afzal, Rayan, Ahmad. It's not allowed. This is really not allowed. Understood the process, what to do? Kindly thumbs up. Mohadishim, did you understand between? Very good, Huzaifa bete. Very good, Zainab. Bete, Huzaifa, right answer as well. Very good, Zainab. Okay. Zainab, what about two more lines? One you have done. Very good, Fahad. Fahad, explanation not written. Explanation, who will write? In chat, you did not write the explanation. Hamad, I won't answer. Adyan, you did not write answer. Very good. Wafa, you have done one. Adyan did not write answer. Beta, I won't answer as well. Please give me answers. Three lines you have to do. Okay, I'm uploading your last test marks. Student, I'm uploading your last test marks. You can check the portal for your last test marks. Aisha Ilyas got 10 marks. In character writing, I'm announcing the character writing test marks. So listen it carefully. Aisha Ilyas got 10 marks. Adyan got 9 marks. Mohtishim got 10 marks. Kira did not submit. Rayan did not submit. Samir got 8 marks. Shahzeb did not submit. Farwa did not submit. From class 5, green only Samir submit. Adyan submit. Mohtishim submit. Aisha Ilyas submitted. The other student did not submit it to me. From class 5 red, most of the students submitted to me. Aman got 9 marks. Ali Ahmad got 10 marks. Ariba got 8 marks. Aurelia got 10 marks. Fahad got 9 marks. Fatma Mateen got 8 marks. Hamad got 9 marks. Shamir got 10 marks. Umar Kamran did not submit. Sarah got 9 marks. Huzaifa got 9 marks. Umar Mahmood did not yet submitted it to me. 9 marks. Wafa got 10 marks. And Zainab Zafar also got 10 marks of the character writing test. Okay. I'll be submitting the article marks as well today. Tonight I'll be submitting the article and this class test marks. बस अब तो अपलोड ही नहीं होगा कुछ.